does color play in the process of covering up an old tattoo?
Color in cover-ups has got a different dimension to it than color in a regular tattoo, because you are mixing with existing colors, especially if the old piece was a color tattoo and you're wanting to change up what you're seeing there. You're not just wanting to use the existing color in the new piece, but you have no choice but to mix with it and work with it because it is there. And let's just say that you're doing a green dragon and there's a couple shapes of this old piece that are red. You can't just plow green over that or you're going to get a muddy color. So you're going to have to think that one through, come up with ways that you can either incorporate a little bit of that red color into some aspects of your dragon, or to have some foreground shapes that might cross over those areas and allow you to find another creative use for those areas of red. But you will need to acknowledge that it's there and do something creative with it. If you're lucky, you'll be able to do something with it that adds to the piece.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you'd like to continue on to the next video, click here. To start from the beginning of the series, down here. And if you found this helpful and you'd like to learn more, please follow this link right here.